welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the St. Elmo neighborhood, which is in South Austin. On top of that, I'm going to show you one of our newest listings. It's here at the Battle Bend condominium. So this is a condo. We'll go through and show it to you. Right behind me is the pool. We'll show you that. I'll show you a little bit about St. Elmo as well in this video, but this is a really cool spot. I can't wait to show it to you. If you are looking for homes, definitely reach out to us. We'd love to help. All right, drop a comment below. Here we go. We're going to show you the place. All right, we are at the Battle Bend condominiums. This is a great location. Like I said, it's right next to St. Elmo, which stay tuned for the end of the video. We are going to talk about St. Elmo. Here's a pool. There is a little cabana space here with the pool. This is one of the major amenities here. There is a park very close by, which I didn't get a shot of, but I just wanted to show you the pool. Now, the condo we're going to show you, 5115 Fort Clark, is steps away from the pool. So the location is super, super nice in this neighborhood. Overall, this is a little bit older of a community. It was built in the 80s. Now, you do have really low HOA fees for this neighborhood, and you got lots of green space. It is a super, super quiet complex. And in a moment, I'm going to show you the actual unit, which is great, and we'll give you more information. Okay, so this is our listing right here. As you notice, it has a nice little courtyard. This is 5115 Fort Clark. Like again, super, super great spot. As we step inside, this is a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath, 1 half bath. And on top of that, it is 1,234 square feet. It's a little 2-story. It's got a little courtyard in the back. Let's take a look. So recently the owner of this has updated all the flooring, so brand new flooring throughout here. They've gone through and touched up a lot of the paint, so it does look pretty nice overall aesthetically. This is the front living area, and as you can tell, it's a good size space. It's not small, it's not gigantic, it's the perfect size for a 1,200 square foot unit. On the other side of the stairs here, we have the dining room area. You got a half bath right here, and then you got a kitchen. Let's take a look. So for a half bath, it's a pretty standard half bath, something that I could definitely see. Like this would be a great rental property right here. It's definitely set up for that. Some things you could do is definitely come in and do some upgrades in this bathroom, the other bathroom, which you'll see, and then upgrading the countertops in the kitchen, and you'd have a pretty spectacular property here. And we haven't even given you the price yet. This price is right in the low 400s for this neighborhood. And again, this is South Austin, 10 minutes to downtown. St. Elmo, which we're going to talk about in a second, is a really great prime location for being downtown. So it's a great rental spot if you're looking for a rental, or if you're looking for a home close to downtown. It's a great spot for that. So definitely enough space to have a huge dining room table in here. Again, some upgrades you may want to do is upgrade the countertops. Their appliances are all going to be electric in this community, no gas. Most condos are going to be electric and not gas. We'll show you the outside here in a minute. I do want to step in the garage and show you. It does have a 1-car garage, so we'll see that in a moment. So as you see here, a 1-car garage. So for those that want to keep their car in the garage, you got a spot for that. On top of that, the laundry and the water heater in here. So if you ever have an issue with your laundry going out or your water heater going out, it's good that it's out here in the closet. But you do have 1 additional parking space to this as well. So you do get 2 cars total, 1 outside and 1 in the garage. Let's take a look at the closets down here. There is 1 small closet. I showed you the first closet. So definitely a nice little linen closet, or this could be a spot where you put some of your food for a pantry. Let's head upstairs. Again, there's 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 full bath. Let's take a look. Okay, as you get upstairs, you'll notice the full bath is right in between the bedrooms. You have one bedroom to the left here with a gigantic closet. And then you have two other bedrooms right here, both good sized closets in these rooms as well, and great sized rooms. Let's pop back in and take a look at the bathroom. So you get a nice stand-up shower in here with a tub. You have a nice little sink. Again, if you want to do some upgrades in here, definitely an opportunity to do some fun upgrades in this house. And you can pick what you want. I mean, if you redid this bathroom, you could really deck out this bathroom, which is fantastic. Or you could just make it a rental or move on in and have fun. Again, super quiet community. As I was filming this, they had the eclipse, and a lot of the neighbors came up and used my eclipse glasses, and they were really sweet. So definitely a friendly little neighborhood. Here's a master, good size master, right? You definitely get a good queen size bed in here and still have room. And you got views of the courtyard. How cool is that? Everybody always wants to see the closets on this channel, so let me pop in and show you the closet. It's not enough just to stand in the door. Let's get inside this closet. Check it out. If you're enjoying this so far, drop a comment. If you're hating my commentary, always feel free to tell me how good or bad I'm doing on this channel. We're always looking to upgrade and do more on this channel, so definitely don't hesitate to tell us how we are doing. All right, let's pop in another closet. Here we go. Okay, bedroom number 2 right here. Again, good sized room. Definitely not the master bedroom. You'll notice there's a little nook over here to the right. So if you have like a desk that you want to put in here, maybe put your TV back in there, you got a good spot for a workspace up here. Maybe this is your office. And you know I'm going to show you the closets in this room too, right? Don't forget, in a minute, I am going to tell you about the St. Elmo neighborhood and show you some cool stuff in St. Elmo. So I'm excited about that. So definitely stay tuned. Here's the closet, one last bedroom, then we'll head downstairs. I'll show you the outside, and then we're going to check out St. Elmo. One of the reasons you want to be in this area is St. Elmo. So we're definitely going to talk about that. Okay, here's third bedroom. Definitely got closet space in here. This is probably going to be the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. Still room, put a desk in here. Still room to have a third bedroom. Great spot for a rental. All right, let's head back downstairs. Let's go check out the outside, and then let's check out St. Elmo. I'm so excited. If you've been to St. Elmo, the neighborhood area that they call it is called the Yard in St. Elmo. If you haven't been there, drop a comment. If you have been there, I want to hear from you. Is it the best ever, or is it just meh? You tell me, because there's so much fun stuff out there. All right, you have a little courtyard out here. Definitely some great space. Now the HOA does maintain the fence, so if you ever have issues with the fence or the exterior of this home, the HOA would take care of that. HOA fees are pretty low in here. If you want more information about the HOA and the HOA fees, definitely shoot me a message. My contact is in the description, so definitely don't hesitate to reach out to us. You've got a great little quiet space out here. Totally private, nobody bothering you. And in a moment, you're gonna see the coolest thing, St. Elmo. Ready? Let's go see it. All right, so this is the Yard. You know, it's cool. I didn't get to show you the Cathedral of Junk is close by here. The Cathedral of Junk, look that up. It's fantastic. But in the Yard, there's breweries, wineries, distilleries. There's restaurants. Look at all this fun stuff right here. And it's so colorful. It definitely embodies what you're getting in the Austin area. I'm going to show you still. Oh, and by the way, the Tesla service center is here. So if you ever need your Tesla service, you're going to walk right across the street right here, and you're going to go over to Spokesman. Great coffee shop. I love coming here. I love the artwork that they put in this place. Look how cool this is. What do you think? Have you ever been to Spokesman? It's pretty cool. They got a bar in here as well, so if you don't want coffee, you definitely get some drinks. I'm a big fan of Still Austin. I used to drink a lot of Still Austin. Don't drink anymore, but the patio, what you get here in Still Austin is pretty cool. So this is a bourbon distillery. They also have lots of other spirits. Great spot. They do live music here. They have food trucks. So fun stuff in here. And right down the street, you're going to run into St. Elmo Brewing. Now this place is cool too. They have a couple food trucks in here, so you get lots of food options. I mean, Austin's definitely a food truck place. Look, Spicy Boys Chicken. Let's go see that. I haven't eaten here yet, so you tell me if you've had Spicy Boys Chicken. Is it good? I was in too much of a hurry today to eat there. But this is what you're getting in the St. Elmo neighborhood. Lots of fun stuff. Lots of really good things to do. What did you think about this property? Is it a total hit or not a hit? Drop a comment below. Join me at the night group. We'd love to see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this channel. We're working hard every day to get out new videos for you on this channel. So definitely follow us, and we definitely appreciate everyone that subscribes. Thank you.